On your Jeep Gladiator, on the rear seat, as the bottom folds up, you have your storage area underneath the seat, and that's where you may keep recovery gear, first aid kits, what have you. What you need to know is that if the vehicle is at an angle, if you are stuck or parked at an angle, there's a safety catch. I got a light right there where you can see. But if you look on the outside edge of where the seat hinges up underneath, there's a safety catch that will be gravity activated. You can see that or not. And it won't allow you to raise the seat bottom to access the storage bin. So knowing about that is very important if you store critical equipment under your in your under seat storage. So just an FYI, if you need to get to that, you should be able to, let me get this light, you should be able to pop this side cover off, and then you can get either a small finger, not recommended, or a screwdriver in there, flip that catch, and then you can raise the seat bottom up. So just good information to know. So if you got anything in there that you need to get to and you're off angle and your seat bottom won't raise up, that's what you look for.